Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rise and Wise, and today we'll see how you can protect the Excel sheet. Before going to protection, the question is, why do you need to protect the Excel sheet? In order to maintain the secrecy of data or to avoid manipulation of data, you need to protect your sheet. How to protect it? In the navigation, go to the Review tab, click on Protect Sheet, type the password of your choice, click on OK. Re-enter the password once again, click on OK. Now if you try to click or type the data anywhere in the Excel sheet, a dialog box will appear stating that the sheet is been protected and it is in read-only format. So how to unprotect it? The same place, you have to click on Unprotect Sheet, type the password that you have typed earlier, click on OK. The sheet has been unprotected. Secondly, we will see an example as to how you can protect the contents of the sheet. Here in the above example, you can see that the manager has a table of the employees who have logged in after 10 a.m. which has been marked in red, and the manager wants an explanation from the employee in this particular column without any manipulation of data. I mean to say that the data can be manipulated by just typing here. So how to avoid such instances? So for this, you have to just select the cells in the H column and right click on it, go to the format cells, go to the protection and uncheck the locked box. So after unchecking it, click on OK. Second, you have to go to the same place, that is on Review tab. You have to click on Protect Sheet. Here you have to just uncheck the first one, that is select lock cells, type the password, click on OK. Again it will ask for re-entering the password, enter the password, click on OK. Now if you try to click on the data over here, it will not allow. It will only allow the place where it is being given to for allowing the data to type it. So in this way you can protect the sheet. So for more such videos, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.